Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we will discuss about how to find concrete quantities by using Excel sheet. So let's start today's video. In this sheet we can find quantities of concrete of a footing, a column, a beam or a slab or any type of shapes by adding some basic details in this sheet, and the answer will be given by the sheet automatically. So here we will put the concrete ratio, and here we will put the dimensions of that section, and the answer will be given here: the cement, the sand and aggregate. So let's start with an example. We have a drawing here, a section and a plan. We can see that the plan have a length of 6 feet. We will put a 6 feet length here, and its width is 6 feet. We will put 6 feet here. As you can see, when we put the values here, the answers are automatically changing. So we will add the height here. We can see that in the section the height is 2 feet, so we will put the 2 feet height here, and as we can see the answers are changing. Now we will add the concrete ratio here. So different designs, like different strength, has different concrete ratio, but most of the time we have some fixed, like 1 ratio 2 ratio 4, or 1 ratio 1.5 ratio 3, or so on. So we can assume that in this case we have a ratio of 1 part of cement, 2 part of sand and 4 part of coarse aggregate. When we change this ratio, we will get the values of cement, sand and aggregate. For this size we require 12.672 bags of cement, 31.68 cubic feet sand and 63.36 cubic feet coarse aggregate. The same sheet we can use for column, for beam, for slab, for anything. We just have to put the dimensions and concrete ratio, and the answer will be given by the sheet. So we can assume that we have a column which have a length and width 2 feet and 2 feet and height of 10 feet. So we can see that the sheet has provided us the required quantities of cement, sand and aggregate. So if you want the sheet, comment below, we will provide you the link to download the sheet. Thank you for watching the video.